Gender narratives and the function of digital humanities in enhancing the experiences of Nigerian women, empowering voices. By Shifa Shami. In Nigeria, digital humanities have emerged as an innovative platform that modifies the dialogue around the circumstances, outlooks, and identities of Nigerian women, thus nourishing gender narratives. Women in Nigeria, chronically marginalized in the media and academic research, are now progressively using internet tools to tell the tale, challenge sexist stereotypes, and rewrite cultural narratives. Various topics were scrutinized, including gender equality, selfhood, womanism, and the social issues they confront via blogs, social media, digital archives, and multimedia storytelling. The reality of Nigerian women is now inclusively represented from a broader perspective because this construction makes it available both natively and worldwide. Proceeding further on discussions on gender roles, agency, and empowerment, these digital narratives have an authority that goes beyond the digital realm and challenges patriarchal structures and norms. Women can support one another across borderlines and socio-economic classes and consolidate for social justice by having a connection with famous groups through these platforms. Digital humanities initiatives in Nigeria have brought historical narratives, personal experiences, and the intellectual accomplishments of Nigerian women into the limelight, all of which are usually skimmed in popular historical accounts. Nigerian women endure to create a vigorous, evolving discourse that enhances Nigeria's cultural and intellectual landscape. Moreover, the digital humanities assist as a critical educational tool that provides younger generations with role models and resources to traverse gender-related issues. Nevertheless, challenges persist, such as cyberbullying, societal resistance, and digital accessibility, which often restrain the reach of these narratives. Notwithstanding these blockades, by employing digital platforms to vector their experiences and aspirations, they are not only regaining their stories, adding to a more unbiased and comprehensive vision of Nigerian individuality and heritage. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.